Did you know that Facebook is actually a search engine as well as a social media platform? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use that as an advantage and how to promote different products, and I'm going to show you just the method on how to do it. My name is Eric, and this is Wealth Attitude, and on this channel, we put you in an attitude to make wealth. All right, so we're going to jump right into the method. I guarantee that you have not seen this method. I haven't seen it. I haven't found it anywhere. We're digging into Facebook and we're using the search engine top part right here, right? So first off, you need to have a product to be able to do this, right? So I found three that you can almost immediately start uh, blasting away right now. We're going to start with coupons, right? So we're going to do a search on coupons, right? And basically it's going to, these top posts right here, or this top tabs, you got all posts, people, photos, blah, blah, blah. And it's basically collecting all the posts and anything that has anything to do with coupons, and it's putting it in one easy thing for you to find. And then now we can filter the results. We can filter it by public, anyone, you, friends, blah, blah, blah. We're going to just keep with anyone. Post types, you can do posts you've seen or all posts. The posts you've seen comes in handy when you found something that you were looking for before and you didn't bookmark it for whatever reason, but you remember it's about coupons. Well, this is going to help you later. So you can do posted in a group. Any group is what I would keep. Locations, anywhere. This is the most important part, the date. So you don't want any date. You want something new, something recent. So I'm going to do 2019. You can use stuff that are older, and I've experimented with that, and it's okay. But the best stuff, the creme de la creme, is going to be the newer kind of posts, right? So as you can see here, it's bringing up all the information that it can on coupons, right? So you got Crazy Coupon Lady, you got tons of posts from her, you got offers nearby. Now, if you didn't know this, a lot of times this offer nearby, those are sponsored ads. So keep that in mind. So we're going to click on video here because most of the engagement that happens on anything now is via video, right? As you can see here, we're going to type this month and look at these videos. These videos, especially this guy right here, Extreme Couponing, Greg, that dude, he's getting extreme views on his brand, right? And these are all 25,000 views, 24,000 views. A lot of people are looking at his stuff and commenting, right? Needing help and things like that, right? So come over to Max Bounty, and this is a CPA network. Now, before you freak out, you can also do this with Clickbank. I have a method with Clickbank. You just need something to promote. And the reason why I chose Max Bounty is because they have a free sign-up CPA offer with coupons, and it's this one right here. So every time somebody signs up for this right here, you're going to get $2.25 for a free sign up. It doesn't cost the user any money. It doesn't cost the Facebook user any money to put in their email address, and you get $2.25. Again, this isn't going to make you amazingly rich, but it is going to get you, you could make upwards of $100 a day if you really hustled at this. I would say pretty easily, especially with results like this where you have this huge amount of people commenting, right? So if you scroll down, it's just not Greg. There's other ones that you can comment on and you can help people. And basically what you're going to do is when you click on one of these videos, we'll click on one. We're not going to actually watch the video, but you're going to look at what people are commenting, where they need help. Are they looking for extra coupons, that kind of stuff? And what you're going to do is you're going to click comments right here. And these are all, let me move this. These are all the people that comment. Now, a lot of times people are tagging friends in their in the comments so that the friends will see the videos for the general dollar scenarios, which I think they have like penny deals or whatever that if they don't do something, then you could potentially get the product for a penny kind of thing. And they're all discussing things in here, but these guys have actively looked for this kind of content. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to send them to that CPA offer, point blank and simple. Say, hey, listen, I seen that you're looking for this for Dollar General. There's this mommy site, this mommy coupon site that you might be interested in. Well, I know that this sounds kind of spammy, but it was amazing for me, and I want to share and bless you. Something along that lines, right? And you can message all these people, or you can. I would say that this is taking a risk, but you can throw it in the comments here, saying, hey, I see that you guys love Dollar General scenarios. Here's another site that does something similar, and leave your affiliate link. But what you're going to want to do, just so you know, because I know that we have beginners here, you're not going to want to just leave an affiliate link from this mommy site from Max Bounty. You're going to create what's called a landing page, and you could do that for free. There's like websites like Blogspot and Weebly where you just create a simple landing page, and we're not going to go over that in this video. You just create a simple landing page saying, uh, you could even steal headlines from here. Everyday Mom Sampling Club. Get the top brands like Pampers, Infamil, and Huggies sent straight to your door. Put your best email, click here. They click here, it's going to take them to the Max Bounty site where they put in their email. Okay. I just wanted to do a quick recap of that, right? So we're going to move on to number 2. The number 2 one that I found was dating, right? So I know dating is kind of like taboo-y kind of thing, but I mean, it's the same premise. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to do from 2019, and there are tons of different things that are happening there where you can comment on. You could take this post right here, or this page right here has 957, right? And it's the Good Men Project. You can comment on here. Like I said, I like to go on videos, because on videos you're going to get the most engaged views. So I'm going to click on this month. And by the way, it's a really good sign when where it has the date posted, that it doesn't go like 2019, 2018, 2017. It goes this month, this week, today. That means that there's a lot of content on this particular topic. It means that they could even break it down by day, week, month, instead of just all year, right? So again, you got a lot of these are going to be like funny spoofs on different dating stuff, and you can use that as a twist. Like, hey, I ran into that problem too, and I checked out this website, and it's kind of like the NBA too, and then you leave your link. Again, huge views, 447. Imagine even if 1% of those people saw your video and clicked on the link. That's around 4,000 people that clicked on your link. 4,000 to 5,000 people that clicked on your link. Even if 1% of that 4,000 actually click through again, you're at what, 47 people, I think is what it is. I'm not that great at math. But at 47 people at, what's the dating one here? Oh, it doesn't really say. But I'm guessing it's a couple dollars, anywhere from $1 to $3 kind of thing. And yeah, so you got different options here based on area of the country or whatever. So anyways, there's multiple dating stuff right here. So I'm going to say it's going to be around $2. This is for Canada. They have ones for the United States as well. So don't worry about that. You can definitely find a dating offer on Max Bounty for the United States. But again, if you had almost 50 people at $2, there's your $100 right there. Now, mind you, that's one video. So if you did multiple videos, and like I said, you're looking to get 50 people to sign a free email over the course of 4 to 8 hours, if you were doing this, again, it's going to get you that first internet money so that you can take that money and build it into something else, right? So number 3, this is my favorite, and it'll probably take a little bit more effort into doing this. And I picked Clickbank instead of Max Bounty for this, but free flights. So I did this because you see all the time people traveling on Facebook, and people on Facebook want to show the best of themselves. They want to show the all the cool stuff and none of the bad. Well, that's not entirely true. Like, people have meltdowns on Facebook all the time, but realistically, I would say like 90% of the time people are showing their best possible whatever, right? So, as you can see, this post right here from August 22nd has 13,000 comments, right? Um, and this is just a miniature collectible card, but there's tons and tons of groups, posts. Look at this one, right? Heads up, your last name can get you a free flight on Frontier Airlines, right? That was from August 8th, 170 comments, right? So I found a Clickbank product uh, about a fired travel agent wants to runs for events. Here's the secret to cheap flights, and it's a product that really shows you how to get cheap flights, and it's a $33 price point, right? So you can, I think there are a couple. You got the traveler's hacker toolkit here. Um, there's a couple of ones here in this little travel niche, right? But that was the one that I seen that fit this the best, and it's $33 is what you're going to get. So basically, what you would do in the comments here is say, "Hey, you didn't have the last name? Well, check out this link right here, and I can show you how to get really dirt cheap, pennies on the dollar tickets to anywhere in the world." Something along that lines. And then you create your landing page, and then, you send them over to here. But there, again, you've got a ton of good content here. You click over on videos, you're going to see similar free flights. Now, mind you, this is from the 16th, right? But we could check out this month and see if, because a lot of times you get these news sites that are pumping out something like here. Here's this thing that says reverse flies, telling people how to reduce injuries. That's kind of similar to what they're traveling. Like, hey, you want to reduce injuries? How about we reduce your prices on the flight ticket? And here's the link on how to do that. That's a great tagline right there. So again, you got 18,000. 11,000. Now, some of these don't exactly line up, but hey, obviously you can't go to the moon, but how about Jamaica? Here's how. Something along that lines, right? Free flights to blah, blah. This has only got 49 videos. Don't sleep on the ones that have like a couple hundred. If they have 900 views, go ahead and throw your link. It doesn't really matter. It's not going to take you a ton of time. Now, what I would do with this method, here's the secret. If you stayed all the way to here, be glad that you did. What I would do is I would come up with, say, like, I would pre-write out 50 to 100 different posts, right? Real quick posts that I would have. And that way I'd have a variety of them to just cut and paste. So I wouldn't have to sit there and do this day in and day out, come up with and write each one, right? I do the work up front, write everything with the link included and everything, and then cut and paste as I'm searching through this kind of stuff, right? That way I already have all the work done for me, and I can, so that first 2 or 3 days, you're really hustling, you're working those 8-hour days, but day 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 2 months down the road, you're really just already, cutting and pasting for an hour a day anytime a new post comes up and you're adding to it, right? Another thing that you can do is have multiple Facebook accounts. So if you have multiple Facebook accounts, you could do this even farther. You can expand into groups as well. You can make a whole brand around this, right? So let's take the free flights. You create a Facebook group based around free flights. You do a bunch of commenting about how you have a Facebook group that's dedicated to, getting people the best possible, blah, 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 on flights, travel, all those kind of things. Get people in that group and promote the Clickbank product, right? Or create your own product. Again, you're going to start out with the method, and then you're going to move into more advanced stuff. And you're going to use that money that you got from doing this to help you later down filter and grow an actual brand, right? Guys, I hope you really liked the video. Make sure that you subscribed. I think I gave you enough value to subscribe, right? I'm kind of being a little pushy right here on the subscribe. I think that you should probably subscribe. I come out with content like this all the time. If you think I'm full of crap, go ahead and tell me so below in a comment below. If you really like the content, give it a like. Guys, see you in the next video.